Welcome to Comprehensive English Lab. If you're new to IELTS and struggle with fast audio, diverse accents, tricky words, or confusing synonyms in listening, then great news. This series is for you. Here, we use the real test format, but with simpler language to build active listening skills. Step by step, no stress, just steady progress. Feel good? Let's dive in ASAP and improve IELTS listening together.
You will hear a talk by a representative from ACE, a local voluntary organization who is giving information to people interested in becoming volunteers. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Good evening, everyone. Hello and welcome. Thank you for coming. You are here because you want to know about volunteering with ACE. ACE is a group that helps people in our town. We need more volunteers now. I hope you are all okay. We have more chairs today so everyone can sit. Some people at the back may feel a little close together. The talk is short, only about 30 minutes. People often ask, how old do you need to be to volunteer? You can be 16 years old or 60 years old or more. It depends on the job. Age is not important. What is important is that you are reliable. In our group, young and old people can be good volunteers. People also ask about training. We have a lot of training. It is all in person. You do training before you start, while you work, and after too. Many times, other volunteers teach you. The managers like that. Before you decide to volunteer, think about 2 things. We do not ask why you want to volunteer. Some people want work experience. Some people just want to help. That is okay. But you need enough free time for the job. If the job makes you tired or stressed, it is better not to do it. We do not ask about your money. You decide if you can work without pay. We like people who are dedicated.
Before you hear the rest, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10. Now listen carefully and answer questions 6 to 10.
Now, let's look at some jobs we need help with. You can help us collect money. If you have good ideas for fun ways to get money, we are very happy. Standing in the street with a box is boring sometimes. We need people to pick up litter outside. You need to walk a lot, sometimes up hills. Some of our volunteers are old, but they are active, and they like to help the environment. Do you like children? We need 3 volunteers to be playmates. You play with children after school. You help them learn about healthy food and staying healthy. You do not need to have children. But it is good if you know about food and can explain things clearly. Maybe you like stories or acting. We have a story club for children with disabilities. We do 3 shows a year from books they read. We need help with acting and a show. The last job is first aid. You can teach first aid to people who need help. First, you learn a lot. You must remember all the important things. Okay, Do you have any questions?
This is the end of the listening test.